Our election is in shambles, when our judiciary is becoming only for the rich, when you cannot get job until you pay bribe, you cannot get admission until you pay bribe. In the case of female, they have to be used for sexual reward. So I think it is important that we take into cognizance the fact that nobody is going to rate us good. All the global indicators, including the World Bank, IMF, there's no way they will rate us when we continue business as usual. So it is important that Nigeria take necessary steps to block leakages. The illicit financial flow in the country, orchestrated by public officials in this country, will not give us a good rating if they don't stop it. We cannot expect any good rating when Nigerian vote don't matter. So these are some of the things that we are talking about, and government need to do everything possible to take necessary steps to block those leakages. You can minimize it to the various level.
So how can it be done, sir? What are some of the recommendations?
We all have responsibility as Nigerians, but of course the government must provide the leadership. The government must provide the environments for the corruption to be defeated. For example, we have supported government to develop national strategy to fight corruption. That document has not been operationalized. If it has been operationalized, everyone in this country will have a role to play in order to defeat corruption. But we are not making use of that important document where every Nigerian will have a role to play to minimize corruption.
Right.
Nigerians are not happy that when corrupt officials are arrested, they get bail, and then that is the end of the matter. Nigerians are not happy that public officials will loot billions, of naira and dollar, and then they are still moving on the street without anybody doing anything to them. Nigerians are not happy that they cannot access public service delivery like passport, driving license, going to access justice until you pay a bribe. So Nigerians are not happy. So that's why we must see this fight against corruption as a collective work that all of us we must do. Not just only the government, but also we the citizens who must not contribute to supporting corruption or corrupt practices. Because when you are supporting a corrupt person, when you know that this person is a looter, and you are supporting him or her on the basis of ethnic or religious affiliate or political affiliate, you are invariably supporting corruption to continue in the country. So corruption must be defeated irrespective of ethnic, religious, political, geographical identity of the person that committed that. There must be rule of law, there must be consequences for anybody who commits that.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.